Today we're whipping up an easy s'mores icebox cake, and I love it so much. If you're curious about what an icebox cake is, it is basically a no-bake cake, and the cake becomes itself through 2 ingredients. And you know, you can jazz it up with whatever else, but the 2 ingredients are a whipped cream or a mousse of some sort and a wafer or a cookie. And now what happens is that whipped cream basically softens the cookies. You layer it on top of each other. Usually it's like 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 layers, however tall your pan is. And you let it sit overnight, or you know, minimum 4 hours. It all softens and becomes this silky, creamy, melt in your mouth kind of cake. I will say my absolute favorite icebox cake is the one where they just layer Oreos or thin chocolate wafers with whipped cream. Oh my God, that is the most amazing experience. It shocks me that something so silky and creamy and melt in your mouthy can come from 2 things. So what did I do with this icebox cake? Well, I decided to use some graham crackers as my wafer, and I layered it with some whipped creams, classic whipped cream, and then we are adding some Nutella mousse, and we're layering it and layering it and layering it until we get to the top, topping it with some more graham crackers, some marshmallows, which we're toasting with a flame. You can just use a lighter, and then some milk chocolate. Oh yeah, it is so good. It is delicious. It melts in your mouth. I mean, here's the thing. I always make these and I have to take photos, but I cheated last night and I took a square, so I know it's really good. Things you can do to make your life a little easier. You can buy whipped cream already made, even though I really do frown upon that. It's not my preferred thing to do. Making it is so easy, but you know, you can buy it. Just trying to persuade you to make it on your own, but you can totally buy it. You can skip the Nutella mousse if you really don't feel like making it. You can just use plain Nutella. It will make this a little stickier, a little more intense, like sticking to your mouth kind of vibes. But hey, if you love Nutella, you're gonna love that. One more thing, I did try to put marshmallows into the whipped cream. I used marshmallow spread. I actually melted marshmallows down into a syrup, you know, and then I tried it with regular whipped cream, and the difference is so minimal, and it's more work, more money to get fluff, or more work to melt them down. So I just took it all out. If this is as easy as it can be, I know you guys like that. I like it. We're all happy. Yay. But if you really want to go the marshmallow route, go get some fluff. Just put it in your whipped cream. Fold it in slowly with a rubber spatula, and you're good. All right. On that note, let's do it, 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 let's do it. All right, so now I'm just gonna add a little pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, and some confectioner's sugar. You can use granulated. All right, so I have divided this into 2 bowls. So here's one bowl here, and then I've got the other bowl here from the original mixing. Add some Nutella. Okay. So I don't know if you can see, my pan gets bigger at the top. So I'm gonna try and fit some more graham crackers in here. Let's see how this goes. Definitely can go here and here. Can I fit the whole thing? No. So go like this. It's like playing a game, like a puzzle. another layer. And I can do this until I run out, as long as I'm not overflowing the pan. And if you want to blowtorch the top here, please do it. I just took photos by the window and I ate so much of it. It's okay, it's part of the job, you know. I'm gonna cut in, even though we don't have much left, because I ate all of it, oops. Okay. Oh. All right, let's take a bite. I'm gonna eat the ugly one that I've already eaten so much of. The mousse and the whipped cream work together so nicely just to make this a really silky, cold s'mores treat. Oh my God. And I love that milk chocolate on top with the marshmallows and the graham crackers, because when you're cutting it, it kind of mixes with everything. So you'll get a bite with a nice chunk of milk chocolate and it's kind of soft if it's not too cold. And it really, really works. It all works. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know if you make this s'mores icebox cake. Tag me on Instagram and use the hashtag with Skyler. My Instagram account is Dining with Skyler, and of course, subscribe to my channel. You know I would love it. I would really appreciate it. You can also get the written recipe in the description below, so feel free to leave a comment, any questions, and what you want me to make next. I love to get your opinions, so let me know. I have a lot of work to do. I just realized I have to save some for my husband. But I still have a lot of work to do. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.